Hey there. Have you ever encountered the frustrating issue of trying to make a transaction only to get that dreaded payment failed message on your Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll tackle how to fix payment failed Cash App issues so that you can get back to smooth and stress-free transactions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure your internet connection is strong and stable. Cash App transactions can fail if you're not connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. To check your connection, try loading a web page or streaming a video. If you encounter any lag or complete failures, it might be time to reset your router or switch to a more stable network. Step 2. Verify your payment details. Mistakes happen, and sometimes errors in payment details can cause a failed transaction. Double-check the recipient's details, such as the username or cash tag, to ensure they're correct. If you recently received or changed your debit or credit card, make sure that the details are correctly updated in the app. Go to the Banking tab, select your card, and verify the information. Also, ensure that your account balance covers the transaction amount plus any fee. Step 3. Review Cash App limits. Cash App has transaction limits, and exceeding these can cause payments to fail. If you reach your sending limit, try verifying your identity within the app to extend these limits. To verify your identity, tap the profile icon, then add funds, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify with your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Confirm your app and device are updated. An outdated version of the app or your device's operating system might be causing these payment errors. Ensure you're using the latest version of Cash App by checking for updates in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Similarly, verify that your smartphone's operating system is up to date. Regular updates ensure compatibility and could resolve underlying issues. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If your payment still fails after trying these solutions, it's time to contact Cash App support. Open the app, tap your profile icon, scroll down to the Cash App section, and select something else. From there, explain your issue and submit a support request. The Cash App team will assist you further and provide a resolution. Step 6. Monitor for fraud or suspicious activity. Occasionally, Cash App may block transactions if it detects suspicious or fraudulent activity. Ensure that there's no unusual activity on your account and review recent transactions. If you find anything suspicious, contact Cash App support immediately to secure your account and resolve any issue. Facing a payment failed message on Cash App can be frustrating, but with these steps, you can identify and solve the issue effectively. Remember to check your connection, verify payment details, and stay within transaction limit. Keeping your app and device updated plays a crucial role in seamless transactions. Should all else fail, don't hesitate to reach out to support. By following this guide on how to fix payment failed Cash App issues, you'll be back to completing payments effortlessly in no time. Stay financially empowered and worry-free.